Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on the Kraken crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken application and then use your biometrics or your PIN code to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your currency, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on Preferences. And now you will see the currency option at the very beginning. Just tap on this menu and then you can see the various currencies that are supported by this application. Tap on your desired currency and now your currency will be switched right away. You can go back to the home page and all of your funds will now be shown with this currency. You can go back to this menu at any point of time in order to change the currency once again in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Kraken crypto trading application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.